What programming language is known for its use of indentation to define code blocks? Answer is Python. Which language uses system.out.println to print text to the console? Answer is Java. In which language do you use print function to output text to the console? Answer is Python. How do you declare an integer variable in Java? Answer is int x. Which language uses for I in range 10 to create a loop? Answer is Python. What is the correct syntax for defining a list in Python? Answer is list equals 1, 2, 3. How do you define a function in Java? Answer is void function name. Which language uses if name equals main colon to check if the script is being run directly? Answer is Python. Which language uses the keyword extends to indicate inheritance? Answer is Java. How do you define an array of integers in C++? Answer is int arr equals 1, 2, 3. In which language do you use the keyword class to define a class? Answer is both. How do you print hello, world in C++? Answer is could hello, world. Which language uses for int I equals 0, I10, I++ to create a loop? Answer is C++. Which language uses import java.utility asterisk to import packages? Answer is Java. How do you append an element to a list in Python? Answer is, list.append, element. Which language uses plus to concatenate strings? Answer is, both. Which language uses dash to define a lambda function? Answer is, C++. How do you read user input in Python? Answer is, input equals input, enter. Which language uses try and except for exception handling? Answer is, Python. How do you access the third element of an array in Java? Answer is, array2. How do you define a method in Python? Answer is, array2. How do you format strings in Python using placeholders? Answer is, hello.format, name. How do you add a key-value pair to a dictionary in Python? Answer is, dict key equals value. Which language uses hashtag for single-line comments? Answer is, Python. How do you check if a value is greater than another in Java? Answer is, if, AB.
Please like, subscribe and share for my next videos.